Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting both devices ready. Make sure your My TV and phone use the same Wi-Fi network because casting streams over local LAN. Once done, on the My TV enable wireless display or the cast receiver. This exposes the TV to your phone. On your phone, open Settings and find Cast, Screen Mirroring, or Smart View. Tap it. You're initiating discovery now, so keep both screens awake and accept any pairing prompts that appear on the TV. This starts the connection handshake. You select the My TV from your phone's cast list. This sends a connection request and starts device negotiation. Once connected, grant permissions for audio and screen capture so the TV receives both video and sound. If the image is cropped or misaligned, change phone orientation or set the TV's display ratio. 16:9 is common to fit content. Also make sure Do Not Disturb is off because notifications can interrupt the stream. Keep both devices near the router for stable bandwidth. You finish by stopping casting from the phone notification or the cast menu. This cleanly ends the session and frees network resources. If you see lag, audio delay, or no image, restart Wi-Fi, reboot the My TV and phone, and then reconnect. This clears temporary routing issues. Make sure no VPN is active on your phone and update TV firmware and phone apps to the latest version to prevent compatibility problems. One tip: if discovery fails, toggle the TV's wireless display off and on, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.